Eco-Solutions have researched, invented, developed and manufactured a really easy-to-use, powerful paint and varnish stripper, which doesn't contain any solvents and is a water-based formula. The entire range of Eco-Solutions products includes degreasers, Artex Removers, and general-purpose cleaners, which are all solvent-free and safe to use in the home and by professionals. Eco Home Strip Paint and Varnish Stripper won't burn your skin, there are no harmful fumes, it works quickly, it's easy to use, no preparation is needed, no watering eyes, and it doesn't make removing varnish from a surface such a laborious and labor-intensive job like sanding or using a heat gun. Home Strip Paint and Varnish Stripper is economical to use and it goes further than hazardous solvent-based strippers. It has minimal VOC content as certified by independent laboratory detection test. Most DCM-free paint strippers have just replaced one hazardous solvent with another, however, Eco-Solutions' innovative technology has removed the hazardous solvent content and replaced it with water, making it a safe alternative to use. Home Strip Paint and Varnish Stripper is solvent-free, non-toxic, safe, and it won't harm your skin or other parts of your body. Care should be taken, but Home Strip is water-based and can be washed off very easily, with no detrimental effects. It is easy to apply to any surface and quick to work its magic, leaving you with a varnish-free original surface. You only need to leave Home Strip on the surface for a short while, anything from 20 to 40 minutes and up to 24 hours, dependent on how many layers of varnish there are on the surface. After 20 minutes plus you can test a small area to see if the varnish is ready to come off. Use a scraper and slide it under the paint or varnish, and if it doesn't lift easily then you will know you need to leave it on a bit longer. It really depends on how many layers of varnish have been painted on the surface as to how many times you may need to repeat the process. If there are several thick layers of varnish on a surface, then apply a thick layer of the product and leave it to work up to 40 minutes. The product doesn't damage the original surface, so don't worry about leaving it on too long. It doesn't dry out for 24 hours, so if you need to you can leave it working for that long. When you use the scraper it should lift the varnish without too much effort, and if it does then you know you can get to work.